Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Welcome back to chemistry class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. My dear student, today we are going to start another very important and exciting chapter, which is acids, bases, and salts. My dear student, this chapter is one of the most important in chemistry, not only for your exams, but for your daily life. Because acids, bases, and salts are all around us. The food we eat, the soap we use, and even the medicine we take. So let's begin with simple introduction to this chapter. Introduction. My dear student, chemistry is the study of matter and its changes, and one of the most fascinating types of chemical substances are acids, bases, and salts. My dear student, these three types of compounds are deeply connected to each other and play a vital role in chemical reactions, industrial processes, and biological system. So let's understand them one by one. Acids. My dear student, acids are substances that taste sour, turn blue litmus red, and produce hydrogen ion, mean H plus, when dissolved in water. Examples: hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, acetic acid C3COOH. My dear student, these are acids because they have sour taste and turn blue litmus red and also produce hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. My dear student, in simple words, acids are proton donors. They release hydrogen ions in solution. Reaction example: HCl when dissolved in water give H plus Cl negative, mean hydrogen ion and chloride ion. Bases. My dear student, bases are substances that taste bitter, feel soapy and slippery to touch, turn red litmus blue, and produce hydroxide ion in OH negative and water. Examples: sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide Ca and 2OH whole taken 2, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. These are bases because they have bitter taste and feel soapy and slippery to touch, also turn red litmus to blue, and also produce hydroxide ion and water. My dear student, in simple words, bases are protons acceptors. They accept hydrogen ions and produce OH negative ions, mean hydroxide ion. Reaction example: NaOH gas, sodium ion plus hydroxide ion, and salts. My dear student, when an acid reacts with a base, a neutralization reactions occur producing salt and water. Example: HCl plus NaOH gas NaCl plus H2O. In simple words, salts are compounds formed when the hydrogen ions of an acid are replaced by metal ions or ammonium ions. Examples of salt: sodium chloride NaCl, potassium nitrate KNO3, calcium sulfate CaSO4. Why study acids, bases, and salts? My dear student, understanding these substances is important because they are part of our daily lives and industrial applications. And daily life, acids like citric acid and acetic acids are present in fruits and vinegar. Bases like sodium hydroxide are used in making soaps and detergents. Salts like sodium chloride are used as table salt in industry. Sulfuric acid is used in fertilizers and batteries. Hydrochloric acid is used in cleaning metals. Sodium hydroxide is used in paper and textile industries. My dear student, this is all about today's lecture and a simple introduction to a new chapters which is acids, bases and salts. I hope you are understand. My dear student, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class inshallah. Thank you for listening.